Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have an electrifying showdown between two grooming gadgets that will leave you looking sharp. On the left side, we have the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor, and on the right side, we have the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body. Let's dive in and see which one reigns supreme. Alright, let's talk about shaving heads. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor comes with an upgraded detachable shaving head. It's designed for all you men out there who love sporting a clean-shaven head but are tired of using razors or blades. This bad boy is easier to clean than other models. Just detach the entire blade for a quick wash and easy storage. Pop it out after every shave and clean up all those trapped hairs to keep it working in top condition. Alright, let's get wet and wild with our next comparison, wet and dry shaving capabilities. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor is IPX7 waterproof, which means it's ready to take on the shower with you. No longer do you have to worry about using it in the bathroom. Go ahead and enjoy your shaving routine under running water. It's time to make every shower count. Moving on to battery life, because no one wants their grooming session to be cut short. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor offers a whopping 90 minutes of working time after just 1.5 hours of fast charging. That's enough time to sculpt a masterpiece on your head or face. Plus, it charges with laptops, cars, power banks, and more. Talk about convenience. Last but not least, let's talk about those extra features that make these products stand out. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor comes with a 5-in-1 razor headset. You heard that right. 5 replacement shaver heads for all your grooming needs. Smooth texture hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, massage brush, and cleaning brush. It's like having a whole grooming kit in one device. Perfect for those who want to level up their grooming game. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor is praised for its easy cleaning, waterproof capabilities, long battery life, and versatile 5-in-1 razor headset. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body is commended for its flexible shaving head, versatile wet and dry shaving, rechargeable battery, and additional attachments. It's a close competition between the two, and it ultimately comes down to personal preference and specific grooming needs. And there you have it, folks. The SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor and the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Face Plus Body went head-to-head in this electrifying showdown. Both products have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your grooming needs best. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to these products and any special deals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart shopping content. Stay sharp, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.